climb up trail?
Yeah.
Go to the top. Speaking Carolyn's language with ice cream. She always wants ice cream. Alright, honey. Got your ice cream. It's amazing how you can get such different views.
I know.
Within like a 5-minute drive time. Oh, we got the whole group today.
Do you know where we're going?
Yeah, we're going over here somewhere to a bus stop. We'll find it. Gotta hop on the shuttle. It's just like Disney World, yay!
We're taking lots of buses.
Ride all the shuttles. Whoa. This is Steven's first look at the Grand Canyon. This is fantastico. Steven's soaking up the views along with everyone else. Are you getting bored of seeing the Grand Canyon from the rim?
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit too.
Canyon.
We need to go down into it. Another shuttle. Another shuttle to another place. We're hiking down as far as we want. There's this spot that's like 1.5 miles, that's Ooh Aah Point, but I don't think we want to go that far down.
Down there.
Are we going way down there?
Yeah, down there.
I think 1 mile of this would be enough.
Alright.
Good morning. Hi.
Yeah, for a couple weeks, we were standing by and puck.
This is beautiful
So you really
Ooh Aah
feel
Point.
like you're in the canyon, just like surrounded by it.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, we're not that far in.
I know, but more so than looking up from the view.
Yeah, from the very rim. Is it worth an ooh ah?
Ooh ah, yes.
And the extra
worth
run?
2 ooh ahs.
We're starting
Steps
to climb.
Stairs.
Stone stairs. Back to the top. We're caught up. The shuttle again. pine.
She's huffing plants.
She is huffing. She's huffing pine. Oh my. Wow, she's getting weird. Whoa. I mean, you look cute.
Thanks. It's cold.
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.